Hi, welcome to Ross Thoughts Big Thoughts playlist. 2 tennis balls. How do I know they're separate? That's where we begin. I remember learning Newton's law of gravitation. Hang on, this isn't complicated. Everything in the universe is gravitationally attracted to each other. The law says as they get farther apart, that force between them becomes weaker. What it doesn't say is that it ever goes away. Okay, next piece of the puzzle, Einstein. What Einstein came up with is all the things that we see are kind of like frozen energy. Consolidated energy becomes matter, becomes stuff. E equals mc squared is that famous formula for saying that energy and matter are interchangeable. So you have this, you have a third thing connecting the two, but all three are intimately connected and they're versions of the same thing. On the grand scale, everything is connected. There is no true separation between anything. Don't go, because I have one more quick point to make. When we look at this basketball, if this basketball were the very center of an atom, the nucleus, the first electrons you would find would be 2 miles that way and 2 miles that way. This idea of an atom, look how close the electrons are, is wrong. The atomic radius is 10,000 times the size of the nucleus. These electrons have to move 10,000 of these further away. What's really around the nucleus of an atom is empty space. You're mostly empty space. So here's the thought experiment. Say I shrunk myself down. So I was super tiny, super small, and I'm standing on the nucleus of this oxygen atom. And I take myself from the oxygen atom that is part of my body, and I go just to the next oxygen atom that's outside of my body. When I'm standing on an oxygen atom, how do I know which one is making up my body and which one's making up the air around my body? Where I end and where things begin is kind of super freaking fuzzy. There is no defining edge of me. I sort of become the environment around me. These 2 tennis balls, they're separated by distance. They are disconnected, they are independent. Are they 2 separate things? Everything is connected. You, me, God, everything is one thing. It's all part of the same thing. Amazing.